As I said before, this is our 30th anniversary, so thank you everybody for coming. Thank you to Jamie, as always, for doing the burnouts and donuts. Rich for joining in. Luke, who has left now, but did it in Bagsy's car. And Hux, as always, we're laying some water down so he can actually not stick to the floor and take off. We're doing the trophies. For the first one, we'll do Spirit of Ford, and that is the Mark II Golf with the 180 engine swap. Thank you very much, buddy. And cheers, man. No, one.
There you go, say cheese.
No. And then for the best in show, so the one that was a standout for us was the blue Datsun truck is our best in show. Right, you know. Cheers, mate. Cheers, mate. Boys, good back there, so I'm going to pass them as well. Cheers. Cheers. Thank you all. I love you. Goodbye.